How much will 10,000 JASMY tokens be worth in 2025? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, we are going to be taking a look at JASMY coin once again. I'm going to be showing you my price targets and my analysis on how much I think that your $10,000 investment can be worth in the future. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the Coins Perspective website loaded up. This is an amazing tool in order to calculate how much our investments can be worth if a project gets to a certain market cap and a certain price. So guys, right over here you can see that the current market cap for JASMY is at about 341 million. Now this is a really big market cap for a project which is really new, but the plays which JASMY has been making in the background are really too great, and this market cap is just a fraction of what it can be in the near future. The total supply of the project is 50 billion and the overall circulating supply is about 47.6 billion. Now guys, I'm not gonna be boring you with all those boring stuff, and I'm gonna be going deep inside as soon as possible. So guys, right over here as you can see I have already loaded up $10,000, and right now $10,000 can get you about 1.4 million JASMY tokens, 139,000 tokens to be exact. Now this is a huge amount of tokens of JASMY coin, and I know a lot of people who are watching this video right now have this much amount of tokens. Either they have this much amount of tokens, or the majority of you are aiming to reach this much amount of tokens in their JASMY portfolio. At this moment guys, the price of one JASMY is at about 0.0072, which is about a 99.9% drop from its all-time high of about $4.99. Now guys, let me tell you in terms of market cap what I believe the price of JASMY can get to. Now guys, according to my research and according to my analysis, I personally think JASMY can easily get to about 15 to about 25 billion in market cap in the coming few years. Now I know those numbers might be seeming a bit far-fetched at this moment, because the market cap for JASMY is about 341 million. However guys, similar things have happened before as well. I mean, if you guys take the example of Solana nearly pumped from about half a dollar to an almost all-time high of about $256. Now, if you just calculate it, it's about a 500% rate of return on your investment. Now, I personally believe JASMY can easily get to 20 to 25 billion in market cap. So let's say if we pick the number 20 billion, which is somewhat in the middle of our calculations, this would mean that if JASMY has a market cap of about $20 billion, one JASMY would then be worth about $0.42, and this will give us an upside of about 58x on our investment. Now guys, don't get me wrong, this is really huge, but guys, take in mind that this is the rate of return you are going to be getting if you invest your money right now. So let's say if you are invested your money at a price of about 0.004, so you are practically going to be 100xing your money, or if even not more than that, in the coming few years according to this calculation. So if this happens, our $10,000 investment into JASMY would then be worth about $600,000 or $585,000 to be completely exact. Now that is a huge amount of money wherever you live in. Now I know a lot of my audience lives in the US and a few of them live in the UK as well. So if you guys are either of those countries, or either if you are in any of the other countries as well, you already know that $600,000 is a huge amount of money wherever you live in, and this can basically set you up for your entire life. You can practically invest this whole amount into, let's say, a dividend stock, and that will pay you some easy passive income. You can invest it into S&P 500, or you can follow my personal strategy of reinvesting all of these profits into Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the safest cryptocurrencies out there. Now guys, one more thing which I just want to clarify is that Team JASMY has been telling us that they are gonna be locking 35 billion of the circulating supply. Now guys, if this happens, the overall circumstances will change drastically, and they will be towards the bearish side, actually towards the bullish side. My bad guys, I just messed up the words over there. But yeah, if JASMY team locks up the supply of about 35 billion tokens, that is gonna be the most bullish news JASMY investors can ever really get. So let's say, right now the max supply, or say the circulating supply, is about 47. If we subtract 35 from it, we get about 12, if I'm not wrong. Actually no, let's say we get about 15 billion in max supply, or say in circulating supply. So guys, if this happens, you can see that the calculation changes up completely. If this happens, even if JASMY gets to a market cap of about $20 billion, at that moment, one JASMY would be worth about $1.32, and this would give us an upside of about 181x on our money. So basically, your $10,000 into JASMY at the current price points would then be worth about $1.8 million, which is an amount of money which, a lot of people really dream of, and a lot of people are not really able to achieve this amount in their entire lifetime. I mean, it completely shocks my mind that the rate of return on your investment is so high on such a high risk altcoin, and we are living in an era where cryptocurrencies are just getting to start adopted, and as more and more people get to know about them, things are looking towards the upside, and a lot more crazy information can be coming as well. By the way guys, a lot of people have a crazy price target for JASMY, and I don't know if this is true or not, but a lot of people say that this was told to them by Team JASMY themselves. So let's say JASMY does not really remove any sort of circulating supply, and JASMY only gets to 20 billion. Actually no, the price target which a lot of people are setting for JASMY is at about $17. Now guys, to be completely honest, I don't believe in this price target one bit. So I don't really want to hear any sort of comments saying, hey, you are mentioning that JASMY is going to be getting to $17, because I am telling you guys, I don't stand behind this price target even 1%. I do stand behind it about 0.00001%, but yeah guys, that is practically all, because I don't believe JASMY is going to be getting to $17 any soon. Well guys, if this happens, for this to happen, we will need a market cap for JASMY of about $850 billion. Now, if you check out the current market cap of Ethereum and Bitcoin, that is somewhat related to it and even lower than this, because the overall market cap for the entire crypto ecosystem is at about 1.2 trillion. So basically, we are, according to this price target, this is saying that 850 out of those 1.2 trillion, or say more than half of the total market cap in crypto, is going to be coming into JASMY, which is highly unlikely. Well guys, in the meantime, if this happens, one JASMY would be worth $17, and this will give us an upside of about 2,365x on our money. Now, if we check out the potential value of a $10,000 investment, then our potential worth is about $23.7 million. Now, calculations practically go insanely high and insanely crazy, but this is something which I don't really stand by, and I don't believe that JASMY is ever going to be getting to $17. But guys, let's say if it does, I mean, it's practically a really bullish move, and one of the most, even when you are on your deathbed, you are going to be remembering this moment, because you're going to be telling basically your grandkids, your great grandkids, every single time you're going to be mentioning that, hey, there was a coin called JASMY coin, and it gave us a return of about 2400x on our money, which is something which I can 100% assure you 99.99% of the traders are not able to get this amount even in their portfolio as well. Now, if you are among those 0.0011% people who do believe that JASMY can get to $17, I would then recommend you to not just go in with, let's say, about $10,000. You should be going in with a much higher amount. And if I was you, and if I had some insider information, which, to be completely honest, I don't really have it at all. So if Team JASMY, you are watching this video, give me some inside information about the project. But if you guys know something crazy, you might as well invest, let's say, about $100,000, and this would give you a rate of return of about 240 million. Or if you invest $1 million, that would practically give you about $2.4 billion, and you're gonna be a billionaire just like that. Again, guys, I just want to repeat, this is just for fun. I don't believe that JASMY is ever going to be getting to $17, but I had to put it out there because a lot of people ask me that, hey, JASMY is going to be reaching $17. What is your thoughts on that? And I have been getting these type of comments on some of my videos, and that is why I am even, mentioning this price target, an absurd price target, in my video. I do not believe that we are going to be seeing $17 JASMY anytime soon. If this happens, I'm 100% sure you guys won't be watching any sort of YouTube videos. You guys won't be working a single day in your life. Your life is going to be practically set for generations to come, and good luck to you all, and just donate me some money if that happens. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights. If you did, make sure you guys slap up the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.